Have you ever wondered how some websites seem to magically dominate the search results? How they sit comfortably on page 1, no matter what? Well, I'm here to tell you. It's no accident. There's a hidden world out there, a secret society of SEO masters who control everything you see online. They manipulate the system from the shadows, using techniques they don't want you to know. They think they're untouchable, pulling the strings like puppets on a stage. Well, I'm done with the secrecy. Today, we're pulling back the curtain and exposing their secrets. We're going deep into the underbelly of the internet, where the real power lies. Get ready to have your mind blown, because things are about to get wild. You think you know how to rank on Google? Think again. The masters play by a different set of rules. They use shadow ranking techniques, manipulating factors you didn't even know existed. They're invisible to the untrained eye, but these tactics are the difference between page 1 and oblivion. We're talking stealth optimization strategies, keyword manipulation on a level you wouldn't believe, and backlinking strategies so sneaky they make ninjas look like amateurs. This isn't just about content anymore, people. This is about strategy. This is about winning the game. Google's algorithm is a beast, a complex, ever-evolving monster that seems impossible to understand. But guess what? Even monsters have weaknesses. And the SEO masters? They've found them. They know how Google's AI thinks, how it evaluates websites, and how to exploit its every quirk. We're talking about understanding the hidden signals, the subtle cues that Google uses to determine your fate. We're talking about leveraging machine learning to your advantage, bending the algorithm to your will. This is next level stuff, people. This is how you become unstoppable. Think SEO is just about keywords and backlinks? Wrong. The real key is controlling the user. The SEO masters understand this better than anyone. They know how to hack user behavior signals, turning casual visitors into engaged followers. We're talking about crafting content that captivates, that keeps users glued to the screen. We're talking about building websites that are so user-friendly, so addictive, that people can't help but stay. This is about more than just ranking high. It's about dominating the attention economy. Link building. The lifeblood of SEO. But the masters aren't out here begging for scraps. They're running covert operations, securing high-authority links without leaving a trace. They're building relationships with influencers, infiltrating online communities, and dominating their niches. Forget everything you thought you knew about link building. This is about quality over quantity, about building a network of power and influence. This is how you become an authority, a force to be reckoned with in the online world. Content is king? That's cute. The masters know that content is a weapon. They use it to dominate their niches, to attract backlinks like moths to a flame. They understand the power of strategic content deployment, of creating content that ranks, converts, and dominates. We're talking about crafting link magnet content, viral articles that spread like wildfire. We're talking about content velocity, about consistently producing high-quality content that keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. This is how you build an empire, one piece of content at a time. The choice is yours. There you have it. The secrets of the SEO masters, laid bare for the world to see. These techniques, these strategies, they have the power to transform your online presence. They can take you from obscurity to domination, from zero to hero. But be warned, this knowledge is dangerous. The masters don't want you to have it. They want to keep you in the dark, under their control. But now the weapon is in your hands. You have the knowledge. You have the power. The question is, what will you do with it? Will you ignore it, stay complacent, and let the masters continue to rule? Or will you rise to the challenge? Will you implement these strategies, break free from the chains, and become an SEO master yourself? The choice is yours. Subscribe now, learn the secrets, and dominate the digital world.